Barbara, this is an area that I just can't get anything to grow. I've tried grass, it dies. What do I do?
Danny, I think one of the main reasons is you don't have enough sun here for grass, and it also looks like the water's rushing down, so it's really hard for it to get established. You know, if you've got enough sun, then grass is the greatest ground cover there ever was. But you've moved into the shade, so you're going to have to explore some different kinds of ground covers. So you can think about things like jasmine, different types of ivies. There's a plant called bugleweed, which is also called a juga, and it gets a blue flower. It's really nice. You know, it depends on where you live in the country, but there are so many different types of ground covers. What's important is to learn a little bit about it and make sure you space them correctly.
Now, I see these, you know, thick masses of ground cover at different people's houses, and I just envision planting just hundreds of these little plants. How often do you place them? How far apart as far as spacing of the different types of ground cover?
Well, again, if you were to have a little bit more sun and you're going to work with something like juniper, juniper will grow 6 feet across. So you really want to plan for that. If you plant it too close, then it's going to end up killing each other off. Something like a juga, you'll probably work at around a foot apart. But you need a little bit of patience, and you might have to do a little bit of pulling of weeds while that plant gets established.